Shake it, shake it, shake it.
I got two dolphins. Here's dolphins.
Ainsley.
Let's go. There's another dolphin coming up. This is another dolphin that can go here. Wow, and he was getting what? He was getting cooked.
What are you cooking?
Wonder if he was inside.
Yeah.
It's something really silly that you really never seen before.
Okay. What? Who likes to eat cars for lunch?
Another is Ian.
That's right. Ian, tell me what you got to do today. Tell me what you got to do today.
Can I see?
No, I'm videoing you. What did you do today? Now it's just an empty wall. Go stand in front. What did you do today? What was this morning?
I want to pee.
Ian, if you come and look at it, there's nobody there. If you don't want to tell me, I'll go on to somebody else. What did you do today? What was this morning?
I can't tell. Whoa.
Yeah, you didn't go anywhere this morning. Ainsley.
Put that in the garbage truck. Wait, bring this into the garbage truck. No.